Aloha, this is Doña, and today we talk about the Por Medio technique. Last week we did talk about Por Arriba, and this week we talk about Por Medio, which means the middle. So if you haven't seen the last tutorial, check it up here and watch this, and then we go at here. So for those who do not know me, I'm Doña, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials. I love the baritone and Spanish music, Spanish picking, strumming, style, whatever. So let's go ahead and practice this technique. Last week we talked about on the focus about the fourth and the third string, and today it's the third and the second string, where is our focus to slide up with our chord. So we do the Andalusian cadence. This time we do it from from F major to turn it to D minor. So it's the chord D minor, but we don't play it like you see it now. We play it, we change a finger style again, like this, because what I said, the focus is on the second and the third string. So we play D minor first, the next chord is C, and as you can see with the C, that there's only a tiny slide. We stay with our stinky pinky and the ring finger on the second and third string, sliding up to the fifth fret, keeping also our index finger. And now we have a C. Lifting our index, sliding up to the third fret, and we have our BB, which is the next chord of our Andalusian cadence. And then it's pretty easy, lifting the index and moving up to the A. So slowly again, you see, I just do a turnaround, leave the middle finger up and play the regular D minor chord like this. Then we lift our fingers, slide to the fifth fret, play our C chord, lifting or not lifting, just sliding to the third fret. We have our BB, lifting the index, having our E, and then going backwards to the D minor. And we practice this really slowly, because this Por Medio I hate and didn't practice at all. So just one single strum or a down up, and then sliding to the C major, BB, A, and don't do the mistake like I did, because my brain is used to grab the D chord like this. Just for being ready, if you do a loop of this cadence, the Andalusian cadence, if you've forgotten how it goes or how it works, check the tutorial from the 5 to 4s up here. We use our index this time to play it like this, because our focus, Por Medio, is on the third and second string with the stinky pinky and the index finger. So D minor, sliding up to the fifth fret to play C, sliding down to the third fret, BB, sliding up to the next one, the second. We have A, and then again D, C, BB, A, and D. And as soon as you were getting familiar, you can do like a arpeggio. So you see, it sounds Spanish, melancholical, moody, dark, whatever, how you would like to explain it. Have fun to practice this. And if there are any questions, feel free to ask me and enjoy your Por Medio practice. The focus is on the middle. See you for the next tutorial. Love you, Doña.